Here he comes. Way more power. But that's more this one. That's more the second variation.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
I can go back and go like this. Here he comes. Way more power. But that's more this one. That's more the second variation. The first variation, whoa. There's that height, whoa. See how my upper body comes over, whoa. Because I'm getting out of the way, whoa. I don't have a lot of stability, whoa. You gotta be quick, whoa. Shoots for that land, whoa, and then right back. If I'm here, and my first motion is this, whoa, this height, whoa. Then the foot steps back. The second I step left, there's a fast shot coming here. Whoa, step back. Whoa, step back. Right, step left, whoa, back. Step left, whoa, back. Step left, whoa, back. Left, whoa, back. Whoa, back. Whoa, back.